Hi there, I'm Mason, and this is StockUp42. So for the past 2 years, I have been using cell phone apps and websites to earn money, trying to leverage my earnings by investing into high-yield crypto staking platforms, trying to earn $1 million. Unfortunately, that was the drip faucet, and I watched as my drip account went from being worth around $28,000 to $30,000 to worth around $500 in just a few months. So for what it's worth, I'm a drip maxi, and I will be holding it in hopes it recovers one day. I have learned a lot over the past 2 years, including a better crypto leveraging platform, better apps to earn from, and in the best, safest crypto Bitcoin. I believe I can reach the $1 million goal much faster this time, especially in the next crypto bull run. Feel free to follow along step by step and hit the subscribe button. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk and do your own research before investing. This video is for educational purposes only. The first thing I'm trying to do is get my YouTube channel monetized. However, I used just some of my own money and apps to accomplish what I did last time, so still fully capable of doing it without YouTube monetization. Timebucks website is the very next thing. This website offers free advertising for YouTube videos and websites if you earn the money, and it lets you earn money by watching YouTube videos, taking surveys, visiting websites, and much more ways to choose to earn real money that you can cash out to your account with many different options to choose from, and it is available in most countries. You can go directly to the Timebucks website using my link in the comment section of this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's stock up together. Now I'm going to show you my secret ways to earn massive amounts of Bitcoin. By far one of my favorite apps to earn Bitcoin is an app called Ember. Ember allows you to earn free Bitcoin every day in the form of cloud mining, so it will in no way slow down your phone. And Ember is tons of fun. They have spins you can purchase using the Bitcoin you have earned in the app, so no need to pay out of pocket. With each spin, you have the chance to hit a big payout in Bitcoin. As you can see, I started winning Bitcoin with the very first spin. All in all, I bought several spins and came out ahead. Ember also has daily contests you can enter to win Bitcoin by guessing how crypto projects will perform. You can earn additional Bitcoin when you invest in one of their portfolios, as by doing so it increases your mining speed. Yet another way to earn a faster mining speed is by referring your friends, and you can use my link in the description of the video to get Ember, as it will help support the channel by increasing my mining speed as well. Next up, CryptoTab. CryptoTab browser allows you to earn Bitcoin by simply installing it and turning on the mining feature. And that's it, you're earning Bitcoin. You simply use the browser like any other to surf the web and go to your favorite websites, any site, and still earn Bitcoin. And you can buy additional mining speed, greatly increasing your earnings. And that's not all. They are currently paying out a 6% interest rate daily on any crypto held in the NC wallet they refer you to. Don't worry, you will be prompted to get the NC wallet when you use my link in the description of the video to get CryptoTab. Okay guys, I am going to leave the links to everything you need in the description of the video. I will leave a link to my Cash Apps and my Bitcoin wallet address in case you would like to donate to the channel or buy me a cup of coffee. Thanks in advance, and until the next video, let's stock up together.